Since cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are still in their beginnings, it is a great time to learn a necessary skill to position yourself for future secure. 20 Number 20, sell your crafts on Etsy. There are more ways to earn money for your services, and that does not only include driving an Uber or Lyft. If you specialize in marketing handcrafted goods, then you could make an initial living selling these types of goods online. This is one of the biggest platform for selling your crafts, from unique iPhone cases to shirt rings and much more. You can get started without a website or an online presence. They already have a large audience you can tap into directly. Plus, if you develop enough traction, then you can always tractions over to your own self-hosted e-commerce stores in the future. To increase your chances of success, keep the following tips in mind. Do your research to make sure that access and demand to your creation is to consider how much time it will be take to make each item. It's your time and material cost worth the price you are charging. Think about what think about what makes your product stand out. You will want to have a unique style while still hitting the expectation. Number 21. Sell your product on Amazon FBA. Amazon is one of the biggest online retailers with thousands of products currently listed on the site. We already mentioned how to create an e-commerce stores, and this approach is similar, but the core focus here is on using the Amazon platform. With this approach, you find products that are selling well on Amazon, and you source a cheaper version of those products. Then you add your own branding and then resell the items. You have the opportunity to sell these products yourself or work with a manufacturer who will customize these products and drop ship them to your customers. If that sound interesting, then check out the resources below to educate yourself further. Number 20, to start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the world's largest search engines, but instead of searching a website, people are looking to entertaining, fun, and informative videos. You can monetize your YouTube channel by using their advertising system or sending your views to a website you have monetized in another way. You can think of building a YouTube channel is a similar fashion to creating a website, except you are creating videos and not written content. If you feel comfortable in front of the camera and want to try your luck creating videos, then you will need to figure out what your channel will be about. Typically, there are two types of YouTube channels out there that are most successful: entertaining content. This style including content like web series, comedy videos, and prank reviews, video games, walkthroughs, and a lot more. Number second, educational video. This style is more geared towards how to purchase. If you have useful skill to information you want to convey through a video, then this is a solid option for you. Once you have decided what kind of channel you are going to start, it's just time to start creating. First, you will need to create a YouTube channel and think of a catchy name. Then keep up the following tips in mind. Use a high quality camera to record your videos. Experiment with different styles, formats, and editing techniques until you find one that gets the most traction. Optimize your video title, description, and image to get people to click. Create a consistent video publishing schedule so followers know when to expect your content. Number 23. Become a virtual assistant. If you are great at planning and organization, then becoming a virtual assistant could work for you. A virtual assistant is responsible for a wide range of tasks. For example, you could do general bookkeeping, data entry, email management, research, and a lot more. Become a virtual assistant can be a great way to not only grow your income but exchange contact with important people as well. Not only that, but the market and need for WAS, VAS is only growing. Value added service is only growing. A lot of small businesses owners are turning to virtual assistants instead of hiring a full-time staff members. You can find virtual assistant gigs on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Remote.co. Number 24. Sell your programming services or software. Learning how to program can be a very valuable skill, so whether you are looking to freelance with your skills or develop and build your own software. Once you have enough skill under your belt, you can perform such tasks as building a customer application, a niche web or mobile app, or even a mobile game. A lot of very successful businesses have been built on the back of software. A lot of today's software is built by larger companies, but if you look through the Google Play or App Store, you will find that a lot of the most popular apps have been built by people just like you. If you are looking to make money off your own software or apps, here is an approach you can take. Number one, do market research to uncover what is currently needed the most. Number two, build the MVP version of the software. Number three, get feedback from initial users and beta tester. Number four, integrate feedback and launch the first version of your product. Number five, prepare a marketing campaign based on your budget. If you are looking for inspiration, check out how Nathan Barry found ConvertKit was able to grow the software startup. Number five, tutor kids online. Teaching English and tutoring students around the world is a great way to make extra money online. If you are from an English speaking country, then you already have the skill to succeed. You can also obtain an ESL certification to increase your chance of success and getting hired for the job. Usually, you can make up to 25 an hour tutoring students over Skype. If this is kind of work sound interesting, then check out the sites Lunch for Good, Remote.co, Viable Planet, and Check Tutors.